things first, I appreciate your support. I'm back. So today I'll show you how to correctly load your top load washer. You know, I've heard people say, yes, a top loader doesn't do laundry well. It leaves clothes dirty. And they prefer front loader. Yes, there's some truth in that. But it depends on how you load your washer. You know, front loads, most of them have, let's just say, front loads have heating elements, so they tend to wash using hot water. Top load washers, they use cold water, so they have two options where you can plug cold water and hot water. And the way these houses are built, you have no option for hot water, so you'll end up using cold water when you're doing laundry throughout. So I'll show you how to correctly load your washer. And this is a top loader. So these are called the impellers. There are two types of top loaders. In fact, there are three. We have the semi-automatic, and then we have the fully automatic impellers like this one, and then we have the agitator ones. Agitator ones in my region, rare. We have a few. I've seen a few, but it's rare. So these are this is an impeller. This is a Von Hot 0.8 kilos. So I'll show you how to correctly load it. You see, the way these machines wash, it's like hand washing. So this is the pulsator. It goes clockwise and anti-clockwise, applying friction on the clothes. And then with the detergent, that's how the clothes get washed. So the mistake you guys do is, like these are my clothes, you dump the clothes in there like that. Let me show you. Like that. When you dump clothes in there, and let's say you filled your clothes to this level, and it's the pulsator that washes the clothes. Pulsator, we said it's down there. So clothes that are on top tend to come out not clean. Yes, they'll get washed, but they won't be that clean because it takes time. Let's say this is the black cloth here, or let me use this one, the blue one, the green one here. Is it green or blue? Come on. Anyway, so it will be moving clockwise and clockwise and clockwise, clockwise. So let's say after 10 minutes or so, it's when this will go down there. You see, those ones that are down will be clean compared to the one that is on top. So this is what you do, guys. You just don't dump your clothes in there. So for a correct wash, this is how you should do. Let's remove this. So this is how you correctly load your clothes. Just take your time slowly. You pick one, like this shot here. You put it here. You take another one, take your time. So you leave space at the center. Continue doing that. Like that, sorry. Like that. Time. I know people say this wastes time. Yes, that's why they prefer a front loader, but this is how you should load clothes in your top load washing machine. So once you load that, you pull this and you put here your normal soap, let's say powder or a liquid, and then you put here your softener, then you close that. Alternatively, you can just throw your soap in there, powder or liquid, throw it in there, and then because the softener comes last, you can put it here. And then once that is done, you close the door, and then you power it on. So let's say you want to do your normal wash. So this is the program. Different machines, different setup. You just select that. So 46 minutes, and then it's going to do a level 5. So you can adjust this to you see, with the levels, we have level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The machine automatically detects the level of water in there. But let's say your clothes, you put just a few clothes in there, and it's giving you level 5. Maybe you're doing one item, you can come here, adjust, because level 5 is somewhere here, so you can adjust to maybe, let's say, level 2, and then you press the start button. So water will start coming in. I've disconnected the water, but you can hear the valves running. There's a noise coming from here. So water will start coming in, and then water goes directly here. And then it will start moving clockwise and anti-clockwise, clockwise and clockwise, and that's how you should load and use a top load washer. Remember to subscribe, guys. I'm out.